Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad airbag module and you should replace it? The first sign that you might have a bad airbag module is going to be the airbag warning light is going to be on. If the airbag warning light is staying on, it might be caused by a bad airbag module. It is important to check for a bad airbag module because if you ever get into an accident, the airbag will not deploy. Now, when the airbag warning light is on, this can be caused by a lot of different issues, and one of the issue is going to be caused by a bad airbag module. Before replacing the airbag module, there is a few things you should check. First, make sure that vehicle is not salvaged and the airbag was deployed before. Next, check for a bad steering angle sensor or a bad clock spring. These two are going to be located in the same area, so when the clock spring is bad, it can also trigger the SRS lights or the airbag light. Next, check for a bad buckle. That's going to be the seat belt and the buckle. If there's something wrong with that buckle, let's just say it is jammed or there's foreign matters or object inside it can also trigger the SRS or airbag light. And of course, make sure you don't have a bad occupant sensor. The occupant sensor is going to be on the bottom part of the driver's seat or the passenger seat. And let's just say if you have a case of water on it, it is going to cause pressure on that sensor and that could trigger the SRS and airbag light. So when you have an object directly on it, that seatbelt should be fastened. And if it's not fastened, again, it's going to trigger that warning light. So make sure you check that first before replacing the airbag module. It is still not safe to replace the airbag module. There is something else you should check, and it is critical, and it's going to be the crash sensor. So the crash sensor is going to be located on the radial support or on the chassis or somewhere on the frame on the front end, and it's going to be a very bright yellow sensor and wire. So make sure there is no connection issue and make sure that a sensor is not damaged. If you checked everything, now it is time to check for a bad airbag module. Now you're going to need a professional scan tool that's capable of reading airbag codes. So I want you guys to look for B codes. It could be B00XX, B11XX, B10XX, B11XX, and of course XX is going to be a number of some sort. So you're gonna have to check the code to see what it means. Now, if you're getting these type of code, it is almost guaranteed that you're going to have a bad airbag codes. If you're getting B0100, it means that there's something wrong with that module, circuit board, and so on. And also, if you're getting B0051, it means there's also going to be a circuit issue, and this can prevent the airbag from deploying. So again, if you're getting B0100 or B0051 or any B codes, make sure to check what that codes mean. Based on my personal experience, I have seen airbag module fail for the funniest reason, because due to its location, this airbag module is located on the center console. And when somebody spilled their drink or their soda, it gets all over on the carpet. And that carpet starts to soak up the drink. And that soda or water start to travel up on the carpet. It starts to spread. And eventually it is going to reach the airbag module. And it can cause it to corrode. And it can also get onto the wire and also cause issue to it. When you replace the airbag module, you need to reprogram it and calibrate it and make sure to match up the serial number or the part number. And also, the brand new airbag module must match your VIN number as well when reprogramming. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.